Another beat made by Roberto.
Oh yeah.
Hey guys, good day. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Chi and it's Chi Time. If this is your first time stopping by, you're so welcome. And if you're already part of this amazing family, thank you so much for staying tuned. On today's episode, we are going to be reacting to Tones and I Dance Monkey. This is going to be my first reaction on Tones and I Dance Monkey. Stay tuned. Let us enjoy this beautiful concert. Yes, it's going to be a concert and I love concerts. Enjoy, watch, stay tuned, and let us enjoy this video together.
And I said to my friends, I was like, I'm gonna play here one day.
That's nice.
And now I'm fucking here. You guys, there's a lot of bullshit happening in the world right now. I'm not gonna talk about that. But all I'm gonna say is, you guys are the exception. Just love and be loved and be happy and support others and be supported. So thank you so much. This song is called Dance Monkey!
Is this going to make me dance, Dick? I'm liking her vibe. She seems like a really cool person, and the crowd, they seem to love her a lot. I'm really excited about this one. Let's see.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hands, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you'll stop me there while I was passing by. And now I'm back to see you dance just one more time.
Yes, this is it. This is $1 billion song. Okay, I love the song. This is going to be a party. Let's just say party with Chi. Come on, let's get it down.
See you every night. And on my eyes, I like your style. Ooh, you make me wanna cry. And now I'm back to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. They say, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. But you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And on my eye, I like your style. Ooh.
This by far is like one of the most exciting songs I've reacted to. Like, yo, she is literally raising the bars. I'm loving every bit of it. I'm having so much fun. I've heard the song before, but I don't know if this is an original song. I don't know if she's the one that sang it. I've never seen her face before. Never had this name before, but yay! I am loving her vibes, and honestly, girl, let's keep watching.
You make me wanna cry. Now I'm back to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance
goodness. I love this. I absolutely love this. This concert was held in 2009, which is last year. Wow, I would totally go. In fact, I would pay to go to this concert. This is mind blowing. She swept the crowd and she took me along. She took everyone along. She is, wow. This is a great song and I loved every bit of it. Let me know, you guys, what you think down in the comment section below. Tones and I love you. Alright guys, so that is it for today's episode. I had so much fun partying to Dance Monkey. Let me know, were you also dancing while watching this video, or were you just... Anyways, I bet you were dancing. Either ways, I would like to know, so let me know down in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more reaction videos and more vlogs, by the way. Let me know what kind of videos you would like to see on my channel, or what songs you'd like me to react to, what places you'd like me to take you to. So that's it. See you on my next episode. Remember, if you like this video, subscribe, like, share. Let me know down in the comment section below. Have a wonderful day. See you on my next episode. Bye.
Another beat made by Roberto.
Oh yeah.